Thinking about building your own oak hybrid cabin kit? Before you get started, here are 3 mistakes to avoid that could save you time, money, and frustration. Mistake number 1, not planning for expansion. Always design with growth in mind. Whether it's a wraparound porch or extra bedroom, it's easier to plan now than to retrofit later. Mistake number 2, using cheap sealants and preservatives. Avoid bargain sealants that break down in sun, moisture, or extreme temps. Use high-quality stains and preservatives designed specifically for hardwoods, such as oak, to maintain your cabin's beauty and strength. Mistake number 3, rushing the interior finishes. Take your time on the inside. Our kits come with beautiful oak siding and shiplap for the ceilings. Don't get in a hurry or cut corners during their installation. A little patience now will pay off in quality that lasts for generations. Want to build it right the first time and make it last a lifetime? Start with a kit built from real oak, backed by real experience. Visit Schutt Log Homes at oakcabins.com and take the first step toward building your legacy.